I wake up. I wake up.
I get out of bed. I stand up. I take a step.
I am yawning.
I wash hands. I wash hands. I wash hands.
I wash my face.
I wash my face. I brush teeth. I brush teeth. I dry hair. I dry hair. I dry hair. I comb hair. I comb hair. I comb hair.
I make my bed. First, I pull the sheet and quilt up. Then, I smooth it out.
I open window. I open window. I open window. I open window. I look outside.
I make breakfast. First, I stir the eggs. Then, I cook them in the pan. And now, it's ready to eat.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
I browse phone. I use my phone to browse. I browse phone every day. I love to browse phone.
I check messages. I check messages.
I go outside. I go outside. I go outside. I go outside.
I welcome guests. Welcome to our home. I welcome guests. Welcome to our home. I welcome guests. Welcome to our home.
I visit friend. I visit friend. Yes, I go to my friend's house. That sounds fun. We play and eat cookies. Yummy.
I go shopping. I go shopping. I go shopping.
I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy rice.
I pay bill. I pay bill. I pay bill. I pay bill.